Hello instructors, my name is Dr. Emily Caudell and I'm really excited that you're watching this video. Thank you for being here. I'm going to talk you through Lab 1. In this lab you're going to make a few solutions. Your students can help you make these solutions or you can make these solutions yourself ahead of time. So the solutions you're going to make for parts A and B are silver nitrate, calcium nitrate, and lead 2 nitrate. So with that, these are the unknowns for parts A and B. Each student or each student group only needs 5 milliliters of each unknown, so take that into account as you're prepping however much volume you need of each unknown. For example then, let's go through how you'd calculate to determine how many grams of calcium nitrate to weigh out. So you'll make a solution sometimes from a solid and sometimes from a solution. So we'll go through an example of both making from a solid with calcium nitrate and making from a solution with silver nitrate. So, for example, with calcium nitrate, we're going to make, this is just an example here, again, adjust the volume for what makes sense for your students and for your class. So let's say we're going to make 10 milliliters of a 0.5 molar calcium nitrate solution. Each of the solutions I listed out, they're all going to be made at 0.5 molar. This volume is what you'll adjust according to your class. So if we want to make a 0.5 molar solution, we know molarity is moles per liter. If we want to make 10 mils of it, again, just an example, we made 10 mils just to save equipment and save chemicals. So 10 mils, we know there are 1,000 mils in a liter. So if we canceled out liters here, liters, mils, and mils, we're left with 0.005 moles of calcium nitrate that we want to make. Again, we're making this from a solid. So you ordered solid calcium nitrate. What do we need to do to get from moles to how many grams we weigh out? Well, we need the mass. So if we want to make this many moles, moles cancels out. We get however many grams we want to weigh out. And with this many grams, we would add however much volume we wanted to make. So we're going to add 10 mils of distilled or deionized water to make a solution that ends up being, again, 0.5 molar calcium nitrate, and that's how you make a solution from a solid compound. Now, you may also order solutions that already come as a solution, so in liquid form. So for example, with silver nitrate, again, we're always making a 0.5 molar solution for parts A and B of Lab 1. For silver nitrate, however, let's say we got a concentrated solution and we want to dilute to 0.5 molar. The dilution formula, M1V1 equals M2V2. So let's set that up. We will have a 1 molar stock we ordered, and 1 molar, we want to make a 0.5 molar. Again, we want to make 10 mils of it, just as an example, but this way you will adjust for your class. We don't know how much of our 1 molar stock we need to make 10 mils of a 0.5 molar concentration, which we need for parts A and B of the lab. So what we're going to do is we multiply these, we divide by 1 to get this volume here of silver nitrate. That is going to be 5 milliliters of silver nitrate. Now, you don't just take 5 milliliters of silver nitrate and you're done. Remember, we're making a 10 mil solution in total, so 5 mils of silver nitrate, 5 mils then, or you fill up to whatever mark you're using for whatever glassware you're using, fill it up to the 10 mil mark with distilled or deionized water, and then in the end, you have a 0.5 molar silver nitrate solution you're using for the lab.